Well, as the weather gets warmer, more farmers are taking to the fields to plant their crops. Of course, that means an increase of tractors and other farm equipment traveling on highways and rural areas. The heavy equipment often isn't able to travel at the same speed limit, which leads to impatient drivers trying to pass the tractors in those no passing zones. Farmers say it's something that can lead to some dangerous situations.
Turning in his driveway left, somebody came up behind him and passed him, and there was a fatality because of it, and there could have been more.
We have enough worries and stress doing this job, let alone worrying about getting hit by a car or a truck or a semi. We want to go home too and see our family.
The state of Wisconsin passed a law in 2011 saying drivers could pass vehicles in a no-passing zone if that vehicle was going less than half the speed limit. However, that law was changed in 2014 to exclude farm equipment, making it illegal to pass them in those areas.